The Logan County Sheriff's Office releasing the names of the 3 people who died in last week's tornado. Sheriff Randall Dodd says 69-year-old Ned Longfellow died on Orchard Island. 70-year-old Darla Williams and 81-year-old Marilyn Snap both were killed at Geiger Mobile Home Park. Some reports say there were a couple of dozen people who were injured during the storm. The EF3 tornado did considerable damage around Russell's Point and Lakeview, destroying dozens of homes, trailers, and businesses. Power has been restored to most of the area.